We have drained all our resources just to fund this obsession of yours.
We still have properties to sell. At saka, kahit maubusan tayo ng ari-arian, kahit maghirap tayo, I won't stop until Ino gets the justice he needs.
I just hope that the little money we have left is being spent wisely. Dahil mukhang naaaksaya lang dyan sa investigador mo.
Maybe you're right. Kaya siguro dapat ako na mismo kumilos ngayon. A private investigator can only do so much.
What do you mean, Lorena?
That's why I'm rattling the people who wants this case buried. Kung walang mag-aangat ng katotohanan, then ako ang gagawa. Tulad na lang ng naging reaksyon ni Trixie nung nakausap ko siya.